Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your first house in the sign of Scorpio. 10th house deal with your work, your career is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house, your fame, your bosses, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, and your work ability is also seen from 10th house, your nature of your work is also seen from 10th house. So right now 10th house lord is moving in your first house, where first house lord means your ascendant lord is already moving Mars in its own sign, means your ascendant is right now in a strong position, and also your 10th house lord is also moving in your first house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your fame related matter in the month of December. Sun will stay in your first house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your second house in the sign of Sagittarius. So after 17th of December, when Sun will move to your second house, then we can expect more good result regarding your work related matter, because 10th house, second house, and 6th house is always somehow connected to your money matters and your work related matter. These are the house which are connected with your earned money, unlike your 8th house, which is deal with your unearned money. And your unearned money is seen from 8th house, but 6th house, 10th house, and 6th houses deal with your earned money. So right now your 10th house lord after 17th of December will be moving in your second house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your money related matter, regarding your work related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your saving related matter, because Mercury is already moving in your second house, but after 17th of December, when your 10th house lord will be moving in your second house, then we can expect more good result regarding your speech related matter, regarding your saving related matter, and also we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your second house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in your second house after 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024 in your second house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house, your gains, your elder siblings, your PR, your friend circle, your professional circle is also seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. 8th house will be your in-laws related matter, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Major transformation is seen from 8th house, your secret activities, your secret relationship, and your sexual relationship is also seen from 8th house. So right now 8th house and your 11th house lord is moving in your second house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your unexpected gain in the month of December, because your 8th house lord is sitting in your second house, and from second house Mercury is expecting its own house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your unexpected gains related matter. If you are married, then we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your joint account with your spouse if you have joint bank account with your spouse. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of December. Mercury also controls your 11th house, and right now Ketu is moving in your 11th house after 30th October 2023. So after 30th October 2023. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your second house. That's why you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you're dealing with your family members in the month of December. After 13th of December, when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, then after 17th of December, Sun will also move to your second house. Then you need to be take care of your communication related matter, because Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your second house. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of December for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Libra. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your legal bindings, your legal relationship is seen from 7th house, your relationship in journal is seen from 7th house, your business partnership, your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house, and your foreign travel related matter is somehow seen from 7th house, because 7th house is away from your ascendant. That's why in some cases you also see your foreign travel related matter in your from your 7th house. And right now, so your 7th house lord is in a strong position in your 12th house in its own sign. That's why we can expect good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, regarding your travel related matter. Also, if you are married right now, then we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. You will spend good time with your partner, because from 12th house we see your bedroom, your privacy is also seen from 12th house. That's so we can expect good result in the month of December for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. If you are in foreign land right now, then we can expect more good result for you people, because your 12th house lord is right now in a strong position. But you need to be also take care of your expenses and losses, because 12th house also deal with your expenses and losses. And right now your 12th house lord is in a strong position. That's why you need to be take care of your expenses and losses in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, moon controls your 8th house, and right now moon is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for a whole month, because moon is considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars controls your 6th house and your 1st house. Means Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people. And right now Mars is moving in its own sign in your ascendant. That's why we can expect good result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your fame related matter, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because your 10th house lord is also moving in your 1st house, and Jupiter is sitting in your 6th house, and from 6th house Jupiter is aspecting your 10th house and your 2nd house. That's why we were saying in Sun section you will get good result regarding your earned money. Also we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, because 10th house, 2nd house and 6th house is always connected to your work related matter. So we can expect good result regarding your health related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and also we can expect good result regarding your unexpected gain, because your 8th house lord, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, your 8th house lord is moving in your 2nd house, and Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion after 13th December 2023. And whenever any planets turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of December. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 1st house, but after 17th of December, Sun will move to your 2nd house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 12th house, but after 24th of December, Venus will move to your 1st house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 2nd house, but after 13th of December, Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 6th house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion. But Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 6th house after 1st January 2024. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.